Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to project your YouTube videos on your TV. So all you have to do, guys, once you open up the YouTube app, on the upper right hand side you will find a little screen with a cast icon. If you tap on that, you can easily go ahead and project or cast your YouTube videos directly on your TV. So as you can see, this is detecting two TV here, and I just need to select one of them, and once I do that, it will connect to the TV and I can just start playing videos from my phone. That's going to project right onto the TV. So all activities that you will do on the phone, you will definitely be able to cast those on your TV. This also works directly from within a video as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly open up a video here. So let's say I open up this video here, and I'm going to quickly turn down this video. But there you have it. So the video is actually playing. And if I want to cast it, let me pause the video for a moment. You can see that the cast icon actually shows as well right above the video. I can simply tap on the cast icon, and again you see that it appears for me to choose the device that I want to, and I can just select the device and I can cast that video directly onto my TV. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple, guys.